Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the fastest, healthy destination, an SSD or a USB 3.1/Thunderbolt drive. Once chosen, pick a tool, rsync on Mac OS/Linux or Robocopy on Windows. GUI work too. You should close large apps that contend for I/O and confirm at least 20% free space. Now start the transfer with an initial dry run option, N or /L, to list changes. This prevents surprises and shows you what will copy without altering files. You now optimize the transfer. Enable block level or delta copy when updating many files, and use compression only for slow links. Avoid it on local SSDs. Once done, increase buffer sizes and run parallel streams, 3 to 5 concurrent transfers for many medium files, but make sure to monitor I/O. For rsync, use in-place or partial with appropriate flags. For Windows, set multi-threaded Robocopy jobs. Watch throughput and adjust thread count to prevent device saturation. You finish by validating the copy. Run checksums or compare file counts to confirm integrity. Once done, unmount safely or eject the drive. If the transfer is slow, make sure to test raw drive read/write speeds and try different cables or ports. A bad USB port or cheap cable often bottlenecks throughput. If files failed, retry them individually and preserve the error log so you can pinpoint permission, path length, or device issues and resolve them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.